All of you? I don't need it once
Ma'am,
and
my lesson number 16 is over.
okay. Have you
Handwriting
shown
part.
it to the follow-up teacher, beta?
No, ma'am.
Do show it. I will be glad. Okay, when if at all,
Okay,
whenever
ma'am.
you finish, just show it to the follow-up teacher or to me. So we know that you have finished, okay? Okay, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
So any problem regarding lesson number 16?
No.
Water. We
No.
start with chapter number 17, that is forest and lifeline, and I intend to finish it by next week. Okay? Hello. So that we will have
Yes,
lots of
ma'am.
time for revision purpose for our
Yes.
essay too. Okay? So we are going to start with forest and lifeline and
Ma'am,
see what
recording
exactly
started.
forest. Yes, beta? I
Ma'am,
don't know
recording
whether.
started.
Yes, the recording has already started, beta.
Yes.
Start reading, beta. Start reading, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Start to read.
Forest forest resources play an important role in the economy economy of any country. It
Anyone
is
else read,
highly
beta?
complex,
Just a moment.
changing environment made
Just a
up of
moment, beta. Just a moment. Who is reading?
मैम
Kasim.
कासिम रजनी
Okay. Can anyone else take up the charge, beta?
Sanrad made I read
Sanraj. Okay. Read, beta.
introduction. Forest resources play an important role in the economy of any country. It is highly complex, changing environment made up of a living and non-living things. Living things include trees, shrubs, wildlife, etc. And non-living things included water, nutrition, rock, sunlight, and air. Forest forests vary a great deal in composition and density and are distant from meadows
Meadows,
and
pastures.
pastures. Forests are important to humans and the natural world. For humans, they have many
Aesthetics. Aesthetics.
aesthetics, resolution, economic, historical,
Cultural.
cultural, and
Religious.
religious values. Forests provide fuel, wood, timber,
Wildlife.
wildlife, habitat,
Habitat.
industrial forest products, cement,
Climate
regu-
regulations.
regulations,
Funeral.
medicinal, etc.
Thank you. You have to improve better in
Ma'am,
reading.
what is ocelot?
Hmm? What are you asking?
Ocelot means it is like chitta, but it is in size of cat. What is that?
I'm not getting you. What is the meaning of you said? How do you
Ocelot.
spell it? How do you spell it? How do you spell it? Hello? What is the spelling of that word?
Ocelot.
I've never heard of it. OCEL.
Yes, Lot.
OCELOT. Ocelot. We'll just find it out a bit later, okay?
Okay.
Let you know in person. What are forests? Whatever you get the products from forests, it helps in the development of any country. Very complicated. It changes environment. How? By the interaction of living thing and non-living thing. Now, what is living thing called as biotic, and what is non-living thing? It is called as abiotic.
Abiotic.
You understand? Yes, abiotic. What are the living things? It has trees, excuse me, shrubs, and also animals, wildlife. Now I want to tell you what are shrubs and what are herbs. Now this is ground, right? Now if you got grass, this is called as herb. What it is called? Herb. Now you have got a rose plant, right? Rose plant. That will be called as shrub. Now you have the neem tree. That will be called as tree. Now you understood the difference between herb, shrub, and tree? Boys,
Yeah.
yes, all of you understood? Herb is near the ground, shrub above the ground, and trees are very high from the ground. You understood? Hello? Hello?
That's right.
Yes, understood now, beta? The difference between herb, shrub, and trees? Fine. So, the living things have got the trees, the shrubs, the herbs, and the wildlife. Birds, snakes, reptiles, everything. Even the fishes, they come under living things. What about non-living things? It includes water, it has got the microorganism, not microorganism, it's got the nutrients or the minerals, we have the rocks, we have the sunlight, the air, everything comes under non-living things. Now, forest can change in composition. For example, it could be thick forest, it could be thin forest, and they are different from the farmlands. Now, what are the farmlands? Farmlands are the place where the farmers they rear the animals. For example, horses, cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep. So these lands, these pasture lands are the lands which are full of grass. So where these animals will go to eat? They go to eat the grasses on the farmlands or on the meadows or pastures. Do you understand the difference between forest and the farmlands? You got the difference? So farmlands are full of grass, whereas forest is full of trees. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. They are very important to humans as well as nature. Humans, it gives pleasant. You feel good to go to forest. You feel at ease. You feel spiritually very high. And it is sporting also. You can go for hunting also. So it's recreational, economic. It gives you so many forest products that you can be rich. Historical, there could be very old forest. Cultural and religious values. For example, certain forest you cannot touch it because tribal people will not let you touch it because religiously they worship the forest. You understand? So you just cannot cut the trees. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Hello?
Yeah.
For example, you must have heard about people tree, banyan tree. Yes? If you go to any worshipping places, you can see that the trees are also worshipped. Have you ever come across better? On the highways or somewhere if you're going out, you can see that trees are being worshipped. Have you observed this anytime? So you cannot cut the trees. You understand? So they have the religious values. Forests also give us wood for burning purposes, for cooking food, or for keeping us warm. So that is called as fuel. It also gives us timber, that means wood which is used for making furniture. We also have lots of wildlife habitat because where will they live? So forest becomes the habitat of the wildlife. This is useful for industrial purposes also because we get raw material for industries from the forest. It regulates climate. How does this regulate climate better? If there is no forest, we will not get rain. So it is regulating the climate as well as. And also, lastly, it is medicinally important. We get lots of varieties of medicines from the forest. So far, any problem do you find, beta? Have you
No.
understood? See about forest and how forest is helpful to us.
Yes.
So should we cut trees? Should we pluck flowers? Should we pluck leaves? Should we kill trees, beta?
No.
No. Instead, we should protect it. We should save it. We should grow it. Don't you think so, beta? Now you
Yes.
understand? Now you understand what a plant, what a tree, what a forest does to us, how helpful it is, and what are
Plants
we
are
doing? We are
shrubs.
killing them.
Trees are big.
We are killing them, isn't it? What are we doing? We are killing them.
No.
Yes? Okay, let's see what a
No,
forest
yeah,
is.
not.
Yeah, but general I'm talking about. Human being as a man. We are talking about human being. What human being? We are selfish.
We
So
are
for
not.
you,
I am not cutting trees.
I'm not saying you. Please take it general. Why don't you understand that? We
Okay,
as
ma'am.
people, we as people are killing
Other
the forest. Yes, killing the forest. So even you are growing up, you will become a man sometime. So if you come in this sort of places, you can set a no to it, isn't it? So we need to protect our forest. Please go ahead. Read better. Read better.
yes, ma'am. Forest resources. The word forest is diverted from a Latin word foris, means
Derived.
outside.
It is derived.
Forests are one of the most important natural resources of the earth. Approximately 31 and one third of the earth's total area is covered by forest.
Fine. What is this word forest? We got it from a Latin word forest, which means outside. We know that it is one of the most important natural resources of the earth. We know that. And it's written over here, I don't believe that approximately one third of the earth total area is covered by forest. Now it has become maybe one fourth. You understand? It is reducing. It is reducing now. The amount of area which is covered by forest is reducing now. From one third, it must have become one fourth. You understand? Hello?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now let's see what exactly is forest. Yes, Bida.
Forest. Forest is a natural habitat for many different kinds of plants and animals. Forests provide food and shelter for animals. Many, many, some common
Common animals.
animals found in a forest are lion, tiger, elephant,
Monkey,
monkey,
zebra,
zebra, jackal,
jackal,
bison,
bison,
boar,
boar,
snake, porcupine,
crocodile,
crocodile.
etc. Okay?
Yes.
Uh, let's adjust your mic because someone's, I can hear sound. Adjust your mic bit. So what is forest? It's a natural habitat for so many plants as well as animals. Why? Why animals are staying in forest? Because it is getting food and shelter, isn't it? Why do we stay at one place? Because we are getting everything from there. Okay? So forest gives food and shelter for animals. Some common animals, what you get in forest are lion, tiger, elephant, you know that. Bison. Bison is a type of wild buffalo. What is bison, beta? It's a type of wild
White
buffalo.
buffalo.
Boar is wild pig.
White buffalo.
And boar is a wild pig. I think, sign from your background, I'm getting noise, I think so. I'm getting disturbance. Then we have zebra, you know that. Jackal is a type of bigger fox. Fox looks small. Jackal is a type of between wolf and fox. That is called as jackal. Okay. Here you can see These are the types of animals that you get in forest. Okay? They're with the babies. Let's see what are the forest plants. Please read.
Some forest plants. Forest plants are very important to us. They serve as the green lungs of the world. Trees grow in forest. They are very important to us as they take in carbon dioxide released by us and give oxygen taken in by us. That is why forests are called green lungs of the world. Example: neem, shamak,
Seven.
bamboo, shisham.
Fine. Thank you. Betty. Now, from this slide, we could make out that forests are called as green lungs, isn't it? This is a summary from this slide. Hello, boys.
अरे नीम में ये येलो येलो क्या है?
I will tell you. This is nibori. It's the fruit of neem tree, beta.
Yes ma'am, limbori.
Limbodi.
Okay.
Yes, वो तो
Now,
पता
why
है.
forest?
वो खाने का होता है.
Beta, I told you not to speak in Hindi. How many times did I tell you, beta? And there are ways of asking questions. Ma'am, is it edible? Ma'am, what is this yellow color fruits? You should have asked like that, isn't it, beta? Sahil? Sahil? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. He just informed me that he should be very polite and he has to speak in English. Okay? Without fail.
Okay.
So, in short, forest is equal to green lungs. What is forest? Green lungs. Yes, sir? Yes, beta? Why are the green lungs? Can anyone tell me? Because they are giving oxygen for our respiration, isn't it? Hello? What are lungs do?
Yes.
What are lungs doing, beta? It is taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide, isn't it, beta? What is a lung doing? Lung is taking in oxygen and
Oxygen.
giving out carbon dioxide, isn't it? But from where you are getting
Yes.
oxygen? We are taking in oxygen, but from where we are getting oxygen? You should know that. We are getting oxygen from the forest,
Yes.
from the trees, isn't it? The trees are providing oxygen for our breathing purpose, otherwise we will die. And hence, the forests are called as green lungs. You understood? So what is tree doing? It is taking the carbon dioxide which we are releasing and giving the oxygen which we are taking, and hence they are called as green lungs. You can see the neem tree. These are the fruits of neem. Then very medicinally very important. Then you have
That
the
is
bamboo. Can
limbori.
you see this bamboo?
Yes,
Which
bamboo.
is used for cane furniture. Then you
Wait,
have
for
the
what?
sisha, cane furniture, cane.
Means
Cane furniture, I said. They're used to
furniture.
make furniture.
I heard that can
Then we have the
furniture.
samal tree. The shisham and samal are used for furniture. Hence they are called as timber wood. What they are called as? Timber.
Timber board.
Because timber is generally used for making furniture. Any problem with that?
Yeah, no.
Yes, read.
मैम
Yes, better. But read properly.
हमारे घर yes read I read
Yes, better.
some common types of plants मैम
Found.
ब्लड वो green
Found.
है
Found. Read,
found
Baba.
in forest are trees like bamboo, fig, salt, sesame,
Simul,
simple, neem, palash,
Palash,
khair, amla,
Kachnar,
kachnar, etc. Forests also have seasonal
several
kinds of shrubs, herbs, and grasses, climbers,
climbers and creepers.
and creepers.
Now, common type of plants, what you observe in forest are teak. Teak is a type of, again, timber. Bamboo, I told you. Fig. Now, what is fig, beta? Anjeer, have you heard of Anjeer?
यस मैम फिग
Anjeer?
मुझे बहुत पसंद है वो
Again, you spoke in Hindi.
अंजीर
You have to be very careful, beta. Recording is on. You
आई
know that.
लाइक दैट
I
वेरी
cannot.
मच
I
आई
said
वाज
you have to be
रीडिंग वेरी मच
careful
व्हेन आई वाज
in
स्मॉल
speaking. Is it clear? I don't have to repeat it again.
मैम व्हाट
You are not supposed to speak in Hindi in the class.
ओके ओके मैम ओके
Thank you. So fig is anjeer that you can have it as it is, as the fruit or the dry fruit, or you can make it as milkshake, isn't it? Or you can make it as sweet also. Now we have got sal, shisham, semal. Now this sal, shisham, semal are again timber. Neem, medicinal plant. Palash, khair, again timber. Amla, medicinal. Kachnar, medicinal. Now you can see over here, see, this is teak, right? This is bamboo. This is your fig, and you have got the shisham. All types of plants you can trees. You can sal. This is neem, and this is amla. Can you see this amla, beta? What is the other name of amla? It is gooseberry. Say with me, beta.
Gooseberry.
This gooseberry.
Gooseberries.
Understood? This is called as amla,
Yes.
and this is also medicinally important. Kachnar is also medicinally important. Is it understandable to all of you?
Yes.
Now, I want to tell you, now you know what is herb, shrub, and grasses, right? And trees. Now tell me what are climbers. Have you seen money plant? Have you seen money plant? So it goes like this, isn't it? So this is called as climber. Have you seen money plant or not?
Yes.
No,
Yes,
we
that is
don't
a
see.
I have
climber. What is
at
money
home.
plant? It is a climber. It is at home, exactly. So it is a climber. Now, you've seen watermelon, pumpkin, bottle gourd, dudhi, Karela, that is
Yes.
bitter gourd, they move on the surface of the earth like this. They move like this. So that is called as creeper. What did I call this, beta?
Creeper.
Creeper.
So creeper moves on the ground, which is called as vela, and climber takes help and move upwards. Okay, that is called climber in money plant. And creeper you get in watermelon, you get in musk melon, you get in bottle gourd, bitter
मैम
gourd.
And papaya, ma'am.
एक्सक्यूज मी
Papaya.
मैम मैम
No,
जो
no,
भी
not
वो
papaya.
भारी भारी प्लांट्स होते हैं ना उसके वो क्रीपर होते हैं
Yes, yes. You understood now?
ये
Ma'am,
Hello.
ma'am,
Yes, better. Yes.
Amla is helpful.
Hmm?
Amla is helpful.
Very helpful.
वेरी
You should have
हेल्पफुल
one amla every day.
I ate daily amla's medicine.
Good. Take it. It's very helpful. Okay. So now we are going to talk about the functions of forest. Please read better.
Function of forest. The functions of forest may broadly classified into following categories: protective functions, productive functions, regulative functions, accessory
Accessory.
functions.
So again, these things are not in a book. Again, information is extra. For the you to understand it nicely, I've taken it purposely. Now, broadly, the function is classified into four categories. First is protective function. How forest is protecting? Protective function. What are the forest products that we are getting? Regulative function. How it is regulating the temperature. Accessory function. What are the extra help that we are getting from the forest? Do you understand? So first we are going to talk about protective functions. Please read, Beta.
Protective functions. Forests provide protection against soil erosion, droughts, floods, noise, radiations.
So you can see over here the soil erosion. Can you see this? See, soil is exposed. This is the land, and this is
Yeah.
the exposed land. Okay? The earth is exposed. This is soil erosion. Second, no trees. Can you see this? No trees. No trees. Erosion.
Yes.
Yes? Okay? You can see flood over here. Hello?
Yes, flood.
Yes.
You can see drought over here. You can see crack. Can you
Drought,
see the
yes.
cracks?
Crack in
The
the
crack.
journey.
This is called as
Earth.
drought. What it is called as?
Drought.
Drought. Drought.
Sorry, ma'am, drought.
All of you understood, beta?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll come to the next function, that is productive function. What it is giving.
Yes.
What the what the forest is. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say?
Yes, understanding.
Productive function. Please read.
Productive functions. Forests provide various products like gum,
Gum,
medicines,
katha.
katha, honey, pulp, bamboo, timber, and fruits.
What is forest giving us? Gums. What we call as gundar in Gujarati. Gundar
Yes.
Park, you must have heard. It is about medicinal values. We have
Yes.
resins, it's a type of gum. Sahil, whenever I'm speaking, you will not speak in between, bitter. I hope you will take care.
Sorry,
Whenever
ma'am.
I ask you, then only you will speak. Medicines. I told you already what medicines we are getting. Katha. The katha is used in making pan. Have you ever had pan, beta? That red color
Yes.
of the pan that we get in mouth is due to katha. Honey, you know that. Pulp is for making papers. So we get pulp from the forest. Then we have bamboo, you know. Timber is for making furnitures and fruits. Now look over here. This is the log of wood. We are using it for the furniture. Then we have this as honey. Yes or no, beta? Then
Yes.
there is the pulp. This will be made as a pulp for making paper. This is what? Fruits. So all these things you get from the forest. Any problem?
No.
No, ma'am.
The other forest products that you can see is honey that we have already seen. Katachu. You know sopari?
Yes.
Yes. So what is the other name?
Super
It is called as betel
Betel.
nut. What it is called as?
Betel nut.
betel,
Betel nut. What you will say,
betel,
beta?
Betel nut.
The
Betel.
beetle,
other name, the other name is katachu. Okay. Now wood
Katachu.
products. So you can see the carving of a wood to make artifacts, to make toys, isn't it? This is a wood product. Sealing wax. What is the sealing wax? Earlier we used to get parcels. On that there will be a red colored seal. On that there will be a stamp. That's
Ma'am,
called
it
a
is
sealing wax.
raisin.
It is a resin, not resin. It is a resin. And this sealing wax you must have come across in Mahabharata. That
Mundar.
Pandava were given a palace which was made of lac. This is lac, LSC, and it has the ability to melt. So they were burnt alive. The
Ma'am, when we
Kauravas,
heat them, when we heat
uh
that, it converts to liquid form. And when we
exactly.
put it, leave
In water, it
aside
becomes
for
solid.
them. Huh.
So
Listen.
Kauravas wanted Pandavas to be burnt alive. They wanted to kill them Because you know that the palace was made of lac, the sealing wax. And so happened that they somehow survived this accident. This is the story that I'm trying to relate. Okay. Now, the other one is gum. Can you see this gum from the tree?
Yes,
This is gum from the tree.
Yes.
yes, I know that.
Now, what are the other products we get
It
from the
comes
forest?
only in summer.
Please read better.
Products we get from forest. We get several useful products from forest like wood, spice, gum,
Spices.
oil, honey, sealing, wax,
Correct.
texture, fodder for animals, medicinal plants, etc.
Now, we are getting many useful products from forest. For example, woods, I already told you, spices. All this is we have already read it in the earlier slides. New are the spices. Then we have the oil, yes, and we have the fodder for animals. The food that you give to animals are called as fodder. What are they called as? Fodder. Okay? The spices. What are spices? Can anyone tell me the spices better? Let's show you. See, this is the wood that you get. Can you see the wood better? From the dog. This is called as log. You're getting the cut pieces of wood, isn't it? These are spices. What are these?
मैम बट इलायची तो मीठी होती है.
मीठी नहीं होती.
Sahil,
गरम
next
मसाला.
time you're not allowed to speak. Is it clear?
Yes.
It's the third time I have asked you that you will not speak in between. Didn't I ask you? And moreover, I have said that you will not speak in Hindi. If you don't understand, then stop speaking. Do you hear me, Sahil?
Yes, ma'am. He is left.
What are these, beta? This is
Garam
black
masala,
pepper.
ma'am. Spice.
This is black pepper. This is cumin seed. What is jeera called as? Cumin seed. Write down all these things with on a rough notebook. This is called as clove. What it is called as? Clove. This is known as cardamom. What it is known as? Cardamom. In Hindi we call it choti ilaichi. You understand?
Yes.
And this one, what do you call it? I know the Gujarati word, but not the English word. I'll let you know later. And this is called as nutmeg. What it is called as? Nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Got it? Here you get gum. These are all gum.
Blue
Fine.
होता है वो.
Again, who said that? I just scolded Sahil, I think so. This is oil. Because you should know that in the soap we are using oil. Okay? This is honey and this is sealing wax. See, this is the seal. And you
Beta.
just put it, you get this seal. Okay, beta?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And these are the forest products. Can you see the forest products? What is this, by the way? Can anyone tell me?
Aloe vera.
Exactly, aloe vera. These are aloe. You get it from jungle. Now we'll talk about regulative functions. Two functions we have done, protective and productive. Now we are going to work on regulative function. Please read better.
Regulative functions. The forests regulate the level of oxygen and carbon dioxide in atmosphere. The forest also help in regulating temperature conditions.
What else forest does? It is regulating, it is balancing the level of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And also, if you go to forest, you feel very cool and calm. Don't you feel? The temperature is very pleasant. So it is regulating temperature also. How it does? Let's see. These are animals. Animals are respiring, they are breathing. Yes or no, beta? What they take in? They take in oxygen. We are taking in oxygen. Yes or no? What we give out? We are giving out carbon dioxide. What it is called as? Respiration. What it is called as, beta? Hello? Boys, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me, beta? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, can you hear me, beta? So
yes,
what are we
ma'am.
doing? Respiration. So what am I doing?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. All of you agree?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, fine. In the daytime and in the nighttime, we are doing that. But what plant is doing? Plant is taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. What is the process called as? Photosynthesis. What is the process called as? Photosynthesis. So during
Photosynthesis.
daytime, photosynthesis happens and gives out oxygen and takes in carbon dioxide. You agree? You agree now? But they are also doing respiration also. But I cannot see respiration during daytime. Why? Because photosynthesis is more than respiration. You understand? Giving out of oxygen is more than giving out of carbon dioxide during daytime. Do you understand? And in the night time, when there is no photosynthesis, plants is only taking oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide, which is known as respiration. So plant is respiring as well as photosynthesizing during daytime, but at the night time it is only respiration, and that's the reason that we should not sleep below the tree during night time. We may die. Because while sleeping, we will be inhaling the carbon dioxide which is let out by the trees, and we may die in our sleep. Is it clear? Is it clear? Because carbon dioxide is very toxic to our body, and the amount of carbon dioxide will automatically increase in the body, and we will become blue black. Do you understand better? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood what is happening? So plant is only
Yes.
photosynthesizing during morning, during daytime? No, it is photosynthesizing as well as respiring. Because if it does not respire, it will die. For any living organism, respiration is a must. As we respire, even plants are respiring. But the only thing is different. The only difference is that it is respiring during night time as well as daytime. But at night time, I can see only respiration. But during daytime, I can see both photosynthesis as well as respiration. But I will not talk about respiration. Why? Because photosynthesis is more than respiration. You understand?
Yes.
So giving out of oxygen is more than giving out of carbon dioxide by the plant. And hence we only talk about photosynthesis during daytime and respiration during night. That does not mean that plant is not respiring in the daytime. It is respiring in the daytime also. But the intensity or the frequency or the, what should I say, ratio is more of photosynthesis as compared to respiration. Any problem? Any problem with her? And this is the cycle. It is balancing the ratio of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere. Do you understand? Boys, Hello, boys, do you understand? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood, all of you?
Yes.
This is sun and this is moon. This is what is happening, the cycle. Hope you understood everything clearly. So plant is only photosynthesizing, is the only process that is happening in the daytime. What will you answer? What will you answer, beta? No. Plant is photosynthesizing as well as respiring during daytime. That should be your answer. Is it understandable?
Yes.
Boys, understood now? If you have any doubt, you can ask me right now. Have you got any doubt, beta? Say something.
No.
Yes or no? So you have understood everything?
Yes.
Did you learn something new regarding forest today? You have to
Yes.
ask yourself it. Okay? You got some knowledge that you did not know about earlier.
No.
You did not get any knowledge.
Get.
Okay, fine. I think you are failing to understand me. I find that doesn't matter.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think I will call it a day, and I hope
Yes.
it was fruitful to you today's lectures. And please
Yes, ma'am.
show your homework to the follow-up teacher, beta, without fail. Okay? At least 10
Okay,
of
ma'am.
you should send your work, the PDF to follow-up teacher. Okay? I will keep a check, beta. So have a good day and bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye.
Nasi kanire, la re, nasi kanire.